Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie. I got the car Ford Fiesta 2010 model. Basically, customer says while he driving, there is a unusual noise from in the front area. He's not sure, but he suspect it's coming from the front driver side. However, I'm going to take to the road test and have a look what's going on, what's the noise. Great noise there. Yes, I can hear. When I go through the hump, just once I can hear. Yeah, yeah, you can hear. Yes, I can hear now nicely.
Do you have any experience like this? Feel free to share it with us. Write your idea in comment section.
I feeling something happened to the coil spring. Yeah, definitely it's come from the driver side. I'm going to jack up this side, remove the wheel, and have a look what happened inside. My suspect right, you can see here. See, this is the one making the noise. Coil spin broken. Right, now follow this video. I'm going to show you how we're going to replace coil spin. If you have a unusual noise like this, don't going to ignore. Go to the professional and try to find out what's going on there. Sometime like this scenario ending with blast your tire. Luckily, this tire won't damage. Sometimes we have a like that also. If you have a something unusual noise, check with the professional. Now I'm going to show you how we're going to change coil spring. Before start the job, I'm going to spray WD-40 for this stud, this one, and there is another one inside. Also spray here, there, here, and here. Right. First of all, I'm going to do the underneath everything clear. Then after that, I'm going to the top of the stud here. Need to remove. This is ABS sensor wire. Leave it out of the way. After that, I'm going to remove this 10 mil nut for the brake hose. Right. After that, we need to remove this drop link. I'm going to give a small tip. I'm going to clean here the threads using wire brush. Again, apply with WD-40. You need a number 5 Allen here. Just tap little bit. If you feel that nut so tight, don't going to remove. Apply bit more WD-40 and try to tighten the nut. Again, try to loose it if you feel so tight that one. I'm going to use open head now. Okay, Next step, I'm going to remove these two nut and bolts. This side you need a number 15 mil socket or spanner, and this side number 18. Right, both out. And you do it careful, your brake hose. Right, now shock absorber release, and after that I'm going to remove drop link. Give bit pressure underneath here. I forget to remove in the beginning this one, that's why it's okay. Now it's out. Right, now I'm going to the top three 13 mil heads. Just I'm going to do the crack the nuts. Yeah, it's fine now. One nut out, that one bit awkward place. What we have to do, we can remove this bracket, but I'm going to leave with that bracket and do little bit struggle and doing the thing. Right, second nut out, and the third one. Right, if you need, just do the mark here for your future reference. I'm going to do here, inside, and here. And same time, when you're going to remove the last moment, hold the shock absorber from underneath. Right, now you can take out the shock absorber. You can see this is the crack point. Again, I'm going to spray WD-40 here. When you're going to install coil spring, don't going to work in front of the glasses. If some reason if you jump this one, you ending with the another unexpected problem. You have to add one job for this job. Right, next step, normally some people use this mul grip to lock the stud. Don't going to lock here if you using this one, but I am not recommended this one. But however, if you want to lock this one, don't going to lock here, because if your stud damage after 2-3 months, there is a inside oil seal, that one going to damage, and after that you have to do the again change the shock absorber. Be careful, if you use this one, use as much higher here, then when you use that one, even if it damage your stud, it's not affected to your oil seal. But however, I'm not going to use this tool because I have a proper tool. If you want, I'll put the link below, you can buy yourself. I need a 18 mil socket for here, and number 6 Allen head for the top of the stud here. Before I do anything, I'm going to compress this coil spin first. Now you can see it has a free play. Again, going to install Allen socket in here, middle stud. Right. Now install to the socket. Hold here. Right. It's out. Now need to remove everything. Here. Then after that we can remove the shock absorber. Now I am going to remove coil spring. Right. After that I am going to press in this coil spring. Right. Now we need to install shock absorber. Little bit need to press in. Right. Now hopefully it's enough now. And dust cover and the rubber mount. Dust cover first, then after that rubber mount. Then now I am going to tighten the top nut. Right, nice and tight. Then I am going to release. Coil spring, make sure lined up here. Right, see, it's not sit on the groove. What we have to do, tiny hammer here. Right, nice and in. Right, now this job done. Then after that need to install to the car. See the mark? Now it's helpful. Just do couple of nut by hand. At the moment, just hand tight. Leave it everything as it is in the top. Step, I'm going to install shock absorber to hub. Right. After that, I'm going to apply little bit grease surround the thread area. Make it easy to next time. Right. 15 spanner and 18 mil socket. Right. Nice and tight. Then after that, I'm going to install this brake pipe. Right. After that, I'm going to install this drop link. Just give the pressure underneath here. Right. Now it's spinning. I had to go again before system. Right. Nice and tight. Now after that I'm going to install wheel, lower the jack and tight the inside this 3 nut. Then after that, job done. Now you know how to change coil spin and how to diagnostic. Please subscribe and follow my channel so you can get lot of useful video like this. Thank you. See you in the next video.